Google Gemini app. So this is now a separate app which you can just go and install just like this. Google just released it. It's a separate app. Now it's not part of Google. So Google tries to compete with ChatGPT app. It's an AI assistant that can help supercharge your creativity and productivity. With Gemini on your iPhone, you can go live with Gemini to brainstorm ideas, simplify complex topics, and rehearse for important moment. Connect with your favorite Google apps like Search, YouTube, Google Maps, Gmail. Study smarter and explore any topic. Unlock a world of expertise and get tailored information about any topic. Plan trips better and faster. Create AI generated images in seconds. Get summaries, deep dives, and source links. Um, So now you can just open it up, and then if you want, you can just go and sign in with your original Google account, and then you need to accept. And then here is how it works, and then you can just add something here, export to docs, then you can just draft in Gmail, you can create public link, then you can modify response to have it shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, more professional. And then there are other drafts. So that's what it is. And then you can also do like a voice question or
Hi, I'm Gemini.
I don't
We're
know
about
what.
to go live, where you can explore
Hey,
complex
hey.
topics or ideas.
There is a live button. Then it turns on the mic. To turn off the mic, tap the hold the end button to say stop.
Great, let's get going. Here's
another voice, or maybe you'd like to listen to a voice like, feel free to keep exploring.
I'm ready to be your voice. You can always change my voice and settings.
So that's also the live button there. And so that's just what you have here. So super easy interface, super easy to use it. And then if you wanna, there is Gemini Advanced, and then basically then you can just go and upgrade to so there you have it.